Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Ram 1500 jack. First, always prioritize safety. Park your truck on a level, firm surface, far from any traffic. Make sure to engage the parking brake and put the transmission in park. A crucial step is to place wheel chocks on the wheel diagonally opposite the one you plan to lift. This prevents any unexpected movement, ensuring a stable and secure environment for your work. Safety is paramount when working with your vehicle. Next, let's find the correct jack points on your Ram 1500. Always consult your owner's manual for the precise locations, as these can vary slightly. Generally, for the front, you'll find a sturdy frame rail behind the front wheel. For the rear, you can often use the differential with a floor jack or the frame rail in front of the rear wheel with a scissor jack. It's vital to never place the jack on suspension components or non-designated areas, as this could cause damage or instability. Now, with your jack points identified, position the jack squarely and firmly under the designated point. Begin to slowly raise the vehicle. Continue lifting until the tire you're working on is just barely off the ground. This is a critical moment. Immediately place a sturdy jack stand under the vehicle's frame, very close to your jack point. Remember, never, ever work under a vehicle that is supported only by a jack. Jack stands provide essential secondary support. Finally, once all your work is complete and all tools are safely clear from under the vehicle, it's time to lower your Ram 1500. Slowly and carefully release the jack, allowing the vehicle to gently settle back onto the ground. Once fully lowered, remove the jack and then retrieve your wheel chocks. If you removed a wheel, remember to double-check the lug nut torque to the manufacturer's specifications for safety before driving. You've successfully used your jack.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.